Is anything happening there?
I didn't see anything. Don't do that or then it'll might fall.
Darn this puny hat. Ugh. Hey look, it's mini snowing.
It's almost ready.
It's snowing!
Ben is about to attempt
This is my creation.
for the second time.
I have made this tunnel.
And now, to play the golf, you guys.
Very nice.
It's cold. When it touches your skin, it's cold.
It's all up in your beard and your eyebrows.
Like frozen.
Not quite, but
Ow. Wow, Jacob.
Lord help me.
where are your socks?
They came off.
I'm gonna
I don't take yours off.
look at that.
I know, that's neat.
So cool looking. Are you coming to throw that at me? That's not very nice. Oh, squish it. It's too because he's not supposed to be playing with that. All right, let's go. Where are we going?
The park?
We ain't going to the park.
Then where are we going?
We're just walking.
Huh?
Just walking. You telling me to get back? They're like, hey, don't go over there. He's like, I want to. Aww. He's like, I'm gonna get all the food. Here, watch out. Come here, Kai. Oh no. Little guy. He's like, never mind. They don't have food.
That's so cool.
I think he was just checking it out. So we just got back from our walk after we finished our workout. It was kind of cold, but it has been a lot colder here these past few days.
And it has been in a very, very long time.
Yeah, it's not been this cold in a long time. My face is still thawing. It's so cold. So we hope you enjoyed our little walk and fun stuff that we did, and our goats that we looked at. And we really don't know if they were coming to greet us or yell at us to make us go away.
That was pretty funny. I've never seen that before.
And me either. It was really funny because after we stopped recording, he went back and was doing the same thing to all the other goats and trying to get them to go back into their little shelter. So I'm assuming he was telling us to get away because he's the protector, I guess. I don't know. Either way, tell us what you think.
It was an interesting experience.
Yeah. Do you think he was being nice or telling us to go away? Let us know. And now we're gonna go eat.
I
We're hungry.
can't wait.
Cause
I did 2 workouts today.
Yeah, he did 2 workouts and we went for a walk. I only did 1 workout and then we walked. And so now we're hungry and starting to feel a little sleepy. So
Gotta get that fuel for the body.